What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is my review of the WLtoys F949 Cessna 182. As you can see, it comes out of the box ready to fly. All I had to do was screw in one screw and put on the landing gear, charge the battery, and it's good to go. It feels pretty lightweight, I have to say. It's not heavy at all. Pretty small form factor. Got a little door underneath it. This is where the battery goes. Here's the battery that came with the Cessna. It's the stock battery. Here's the battery that came with my X5C. As you can see, the ends are exactly the same. I'm gonna have to test it out and see if maybe this battery will give me some extra life, or maybe fry the thing. Who knows? Now, you've got your controller here, and it's obviously looking for it but can't find it. Now this button here is for high and low setting. This button here, I am not sure what that's for just yet. Surprisingly, the controller requires 6 AA batteries. Now, I haven't flown one of these in a while. I'm used to flying quadcopters, so I'm wondering how different it's going to be. This is only a 3-channel. As opposed to a 6-channel with a multi-rotor. But I guess the best way to test her out is to take her in the field. So I'll meet you there.